Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide your online active status on Instagram. So these steps are very much simple. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated. So let's get started. Simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your Instagram account. Then after, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and you will enter on your profile. Then at the top right side of your profile, you can see a three horizontal line. Just tap on this three horizontal line at the top right and go to the settings here from the option. And in this section, you can see an option of privacy. Just click on this privacy option. Then after, in this page, you can see an option of activity status. Just tap on this activity status. Now here it says that allow account you follow and anyone you message to see when you are active or were last active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So by turning it off, no one can see you when you are online, or you can neither see anyone from your follower list that is online, who is online. So simply this is how you can turn off your online activity status. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.